allow a woman to knack you is going to be a memory for you. It's always very mind-blowing the way you will sleep that day, because all your nerves is going to be relaxed. How can I make my woman release very fast? In less than 5 to 15 minutes you can do it. You will reach cloud 9. I have thought about something similar to that on this channel before, but nevertheless I will still go ahead and tell you how you can actually make your woman come very fast, how you can make her reach cloud 9 very fast. This is actually a video request sent to my email. For this 15 to 16 days that I was not online, I am now fully back online. So if you send me a video request, I've not filmed it, just make sure that your face is glued to my channel. This very week I'm going to take it upon myself to make sure I film some of those requests and upload them here. I uploaded one yesterday, something came up, I ended up deleting, so I'm going to re-edit the video and re-upload it. Number one way you can actually make your woman reach cloud 9 very fast is make sure you engage in a lot of foreplay. When I mean foreplay include washing of the plate, using of your finger in the holy place, you know, touching the untouchable. Those are the things that also, you know, that entails or that are included when we are talking about foreplay. You know, it simply means applying of other ngle skills that you know. So by the time you do all of those things, for sure your woman holy city will start pouring water. When you notice that that place is already pouring water, if it's the woman that has big hole or is a woman that actually loves knack, position them to dog style. When you help her to get up, you can actually what? Position her to dog style, raise her nyash up very well. Why are you doing that? You will be able to see the Toto very well. It allows your baby man to reach the depths of the woman holy place. You feel me? It's going to allow your baby man to reach the depths of the holy city. So when you are in there, when your baby man is in there, make sure you dog style very fast. And when you are doing that, use your two hands like this to pin her waist or hold her waist down so that she will not be going back and front. Do you understand me? And when you dog style 10 to 15 minutes, you can actually grab the oranges. Use your two hands to hold the oranges very tight so that it does not keep on dangling. Why am I saying you should start with dog style? In case if your woman is that woman that actually loves knack, or is that woman that actually has big hole, you can start with it, because whenever you're knacking a woman with big hole, the best way you can actually calm the tension, the anxiety, the urge, you know, of that woman is by you dog styling. Because when you dog style in a very fast motion, is going to calm the anxiety, is going to calm everything that is making her to freaking up. So when you calm her a little bit, then you return her back to mommy and daddy's time. When you return her back to mommy and daddy's time and your baby man is in, make sure you are kissing her, okay? Make sure you are using your mouth to mouth, your mouth is fixed to hers, and make sure that one of your hands is on of the oranges while you are in there. When you are there, you know, when you are doing mommy and daddy style, you don't need to be too fast. You just have to do in a very slow motion. You just do more of grinding than pounding. If you engage, you know, in that mommy and daddy style for like 10 to 15 minutes, trust me, she is going to reach cloud 9. But if at all you want to come from behind, make sure your hands is also on the oranges. Apply other skills, and when you are doing that, make sure you communicate. You feel me? Make sure you guys dialogue. Allow your woman to tell you how she wants it. You can actually tell her to come and ride on you. Allow her to ride on you. She can face the other side or she can face you. When she's facing the other side, of course, we are going to be seeing the whole backyard. Let your hands also be busy at the back side door. Do you understand me? Then when you allow her to kind of knock you for like 10 to 15 minutes, then hold the two watermelon while she's facing you and she's the one treating you like a king that you are. If you're coming from behind, you can go ahead and do it. If you are doing sitting on top, she can also ride on you while your hands are on the two watermelon. So there is no how you will actually, you will engage in a lot of foreplay, and you will dog style, you will allow her to kind of give you that baby treatment, like things like riding on you, facing the other side and also facing you, and you come from behind, or you do sit on top, wheelbarrow, and also from beneath, that this woman will not be satisfied. Okay, there is no how you will do all of that this woman will not actually reach cloud 9. She will definitely reach cloud 9, even though she's a woman that has big hole, big Toto. Women with big Toto, they love prick. So if at all is that kind of a woman, doing all of those things that I listed is going to make her reach cloud 9. It's going to make her okay. And if it is the other kind of women, other type of women with small hole that you are also doing, trust me, you are not going to do up to this extent I listed before she will actually tell you she's okay. Because of course, you know that women that has small hole, they only prefer you washing plates for them, using this, in that holy place, that much bang. That's why I usually say that if you are a man that you know how to give pre-knacking play, trust me, when your baby man go down the holy place, you are not going to do too much before this woman will tell you, oh my king, I'm okay. So there's not going to be call for arguments, misunderstanding and all of that, because it can be very painful when you as a man you reach cloud 9 and your woman didn't get there. It's very painful, it's very hurtful. My wish for you couple, for you partner out there, is to enjoy yourself when you are in the other room, because if you are not doing your duty well as a man, another man will be elsewhere or somewhere else, or even someone that is not up to you will be elsewhere doing your duty for you as a man. So as a king out there listening to the sound of my voice, don't allow any man to do your duty for you. Be the one doing your duty by yourself. Let it be that when you handle her, she will even be the one telling you, baby, don't kill me, baby, don't buy me, baby, I'm okay. That is when you are no dogu. But when the woman is the one telling you, damn, you are not doing a nice job. I think I've done justice to this particular film request. So this actually brings us to the end of this video. Like I told you guys, I'm not fully back online, so I need your maximum support. Do come here to support me on daily basis. If you send a film request or a video request, I haven't done yours is coming. All you have to do, let your face be glued to my channel. Trust me, you're gonna get your request very soon. And this is me telling you that if you have any video request you want me to make for you, drop it at the comment section, or better still, send it to my email. This actually brings us to the end of this video. I remain your able coach, Rhoda-b. See you in my next lecture. Bye for now.